Alright, so in my earlier video I replaced this broken LCD screen from my Acer laptop. So now that we have a bad LCD screen, I'm going to take this opportunity to destroy it. So let's take it apart, slice by slice, and see what it's made of and what makes it do what it does. This screen was damaged initially by this little area down here. Got some super glue in here and it caused some degradation, and this whole half of the screen was not working. So it's quite obvious there was a break in some of the electronics in this area that caused a failure. I'm going to go ahead and just start taking it apart and we'll see what it looks like. Alright, so here's a little protective electronics barrier. You see we have some microelectronics down here. Just a little circuit board. This is where the video interface goes in. And you can see on the back side, this is where the little clip goes in for the cable. Alright, here's some more microelectronics. This is the cable connector right there. There's some chips along here. Okay. It looks like there's some screw points right here and right here that you could take a little screwdriver and take out if you wanted to pull that off. We're not going to be so friendly. Alright, so let's take this apart in layers. First layer is this outer screen. I think we can get a screwdriver under here. Come on, you. There's already air in there, so I've gotten the screen off once. Well, let's help it along. Here we go. Take the tape off. All right. So the very back of the screen, this section right here, is a monitor, or it's a series of little magnifying glasses. I don't know if you can see what my finger does behind there. There's kind of a magnifying glass behind here. See that? But it's a film. And there's diffusive sections. These are diffusers. So what we got is some diffusers and some magnifying screens and another diffuser. And when you get to the very back, another diffuser. That one's insulating. You get to the very back, this last sheet is an LCD light. So there's a light at the bottom down here that emits light through this plastic sheet. This plastic sheet right here emanates light, right? And so it's just basically, it's white light. You have a white sheet on the back, just a piece of paper. This white sheet is just to make it the light reflect this direction in white. It goes through these diffusing sheets and these magnifying sheets to give it sort of a focal point. And then when it gets through this screen, you can see when you twist it a bit, that light passes through this And this is where the colors come from. So this is going to display different hues, and the light passes through it to project those hues. This is the liquid crystal matrix right here. You can see how when you bend it and crack it, it has kind of a weird acid trip kind of feel. But that's how that works. You have a panel light in the back with a bunch of diffusers and magnifying shields, and then this screen in the front that is the liquid crystal matrix that will project the colors that are that the screen throws the light through. So that is an LCD screen disassembled. I don't know that we can take much more apart that you'd be able to see, but I hope that this gives you some insight into how a screen works. And we took the opportunity to tear it apart. That's always fun to tear shit apart. All right, that's all I got for you on this video. Make sure you check back for more exciting content on Alex's Garage. Cheers.